Codenja. So now we are solving this problem using optimized approach. So as in the previous video I said that and I explained what the code is, and if you haven't watched that yet, go and watch it, and later on watch this one. So to solve this in optimized approach, I use a data structure called hash set. So basically hash set is a data structure which is used to uniquely store the values. I will explain it simply using this GFG website. So hash set used to store the unique elements, and it doesn't maintain any specific order of elements. So it is same like a hash map internally, but it doesn't allow duplicate elements. So we initialize the hash set using this statement here, and if we need to add the elements here, one is added, two is added, and later one is added. So in the hash set, only the unique elements are stored, as I said previously. So it gives the output hash set 1 and 2, and the duplicate one is not printed. So this is how hash set is works. So let's start with the hash set. I will declare it as integer elements because all the elements in the nums array are integers. So I will set the name as set and a new hash set. Initially we need to add all the nums into the hash set to remove the duplicate elements. So for that I will take for each loop and nums is the array that is given in this array, and to add we have an add function and we need to add. So this for each loop adds all the nums into the hash set, and later we need to check for whether the original element is in that or not. So for that I will take another loop, and here for checking I use set dot contains function original. This condition checks whether the given original value is present in the set or not. If it is present, we need to multiply it with 2. So original equals to original into 2. This is what we have to done here, and finally we need to return original. So here, because the return function here in, so we need to return the original here. So let's run this code once. So all the test cases has been passed, and the time complexity for this one is O of n, and the space complexity is also of n compared to the previous brute force approach. This is optimized and best approach to found values by 2. So this is how we code this one. So in the next tomorrow I will share you the another coding problem. So keep on practicing.